using measurement devices to record horizontal distances and vertical elevations. Triangulation is based on a single principle of plane geometry. Distance between 2 points can be measured by modern electronic distance measuring equipment. In some cases, it may be measured on the ground by tape. Angles between 3 control points are measured with an instrument called a theodolite. Observations are carefully recorded in the field surveyor's notebook for use by the map compilers back at the base. Identification of each point is especially important. To this point, the surveyor has been establishing only what is known as horizontal control, the position of control points in a flat plane. To determine the elevation of these points, he does what is called leveling. The surveyor starts from a basic control point called a benchmark, where the elevation above mean sea level is known. He sights through a leveled viewer at a measurement rod held on a second point. He can see how much the point is above or below the basic control point. He may also use an altimeter similar to those used aboard aircraft to determine their altitude. He records time and temperature to be sure the reading is absolutely accurate. Triangulation and leveling have traditionally been rugged work, often involving long hikes and difficult climbs in rough country. But today the helicopter has greatly simplified the surveyor's job. It can transport him to and from lofty hilltops in a fraction of the time it would take him to reach them on foot.
Leveling refers to height measurements for representing a relative difference in height, altitude between various points on the Earth's surface. Level readings can be taken either from one location, one setup leveling, or from various stations if some points of interest are not visible. Leveling is a process by which elevations of points or differences in elevation are determined. Leveling is a measurement of geodetic height using an optical leveling instrument and a level staff or rod having a numbered scale. Principle of triangulation. Entire area to be surveyed is converted into a framework of triangles. If the length and bearing of one side and 3 angles of a triangle are measured precisely, the lengths and directions of the other 2 sides can be computed. This method of surveying was first introduced by a Dutchman called Snell. Theodolite. Theodolite is the most accurate instrument used for measurement of horizontal and vertical angles. It consists of a telescope by means of which a distant object can be sighted. The telescope has 2 different motions, one in the horizontal plane and the other in the vertical plane. Theodolites are primarily classified as transit and non-transit.